What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook birthdays to Google Calendar. So first off, head over to Chrome Web Store and after that, in the top search bar, search for the extension Birthday Calendar Exporter for Facebook. And after that, you will see this type of extension with this cake icon. And after that, select that extension and add to your browser. After that, you will see this pop-up window to add this extension. Click on this add extension and then your extension will be added here at the top extension section here. As you can see in this puzzle icon, my birthday calendar exporters extension has been added. Now move to Facebook in the new tab and go to this puzzle-like extensions icon and click on birthday calendar exporter. After that, click on start scan so it will scan your birth date from your Facebook. And after that, when the scan is completed, you can preview your birth date or you can click on generate. So it will generate your Facebook, the birth date which is mentioned in your Facebook. After that, click on generate and download. And you need to enter your secret keyword. For that, you need to click on retrieve your secret keyword. After that, a birthday calendar name file will be downloaded to your computer and then you can save it wherever you'd like. And after saving, close this tab and move to Google Calendar. Now, after coming to the Google Calendar, at the top, you can see the settings gear icon. Click on this and then click on settings. Now, after coming to the settings, on the left side, you can see the option of import and export. After coming to the import and export options, in the import section, click on select file from your computer and then drag and drop that file that you just downloaded. And when you are done, you can simply choose in which calendar do you want to add your Facebook birthday. And when you are done, simply click on import and then your calendar or your Facebook birthday will be imported to your Google Calendar. As you can see, the birthday section is here and I have added my Facebook birthday to my Google Calendar. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.